Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question which says for x. Okay. So for x, y, z greater than 0, prove that this is equal to 0. Okay. So we have to find out the determinant of this thing. First, try to observe the pattern. Here it is y, here it is z, base is x. So here also base will be x, and here it is 1, so can I use log x base x? Here base is y, so can I go with log base y? And x, y, z, correct? And here it is base is z, so it is log z and then x, y, and z. Yes, we can go this way. Now look at the property which I will apply. So okay, yes, I got. So can I use this thing log a base b as log a by log b? Let's think about it. I'm using this idea. So this thing will go this way. So it is log x base by log x, then log y log x, log z log x, correct? Then we have log x log y, log y log y, log z log z, correct? And we have log x log z, log y log z, log z and log z. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now from row number 1, from denominator I will take log x common. So we will be left with log x, 1 by log x common. From row number 2, I will take 1 by log y common. So if we will take this thing 1 by log y common, we are done. We need not to do anything else. So we got log x, log y, log z on the numerator, and same thing over here, log x, log y, log z. And like third thing you can ignore, so it is log x base z, log y base z, log z base z. So if you will observe row number 1 and row number 2, both are same. You know that from a determinant, if any two row or two column are same, its determinant value will become 0. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.